How to trade cards in Monopoly Go. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to trade cards in Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you wanna do is to open your Monopoly Go. Then once you're here, you need to log in your account. If you want to trade cards in Monopoly Go, you need to tap the album icon on the bottom right corner, as you can see right here beside the friends. Once you're taken to the page right here, now you can simply choose whatever card you want to send to your friends. Then once you choose your card, you will get a list of your friends that you can actually send them to. Then choose friends and send. Remember, just right now you can only do this 5 times a day. Yes, only 5 times sending to your friends. And that's how to trade cards in Monopoly Go. I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon on the next video.